So in this video, we are going to discuss the activity coefficients models for liquid mixtures. There are a number of activity coefficient models. One parameter Margulis equation, two parameter Margulis equations, Van-Laar equation. So there are so many activity coefficient models. Axis property. We have already discussed the axis property and residual property. So axis property is helped to determine the activity and activity coefficient of any liquid mixture, of simple liquid mixture, and activity help us to determine the fugacity of that liquid mixture, right? So liquid mixture means here simple liquid mixture means that it's a pure liquid mixture and it is at its standard temperature and pressure. You know that axis gives free energy RT, XI, ln gamma I. You've already derived this. So for any binary solution, binary liquid mixture, this is equal to RT x1 ln gamma 1 plus x2 ln gamma 2. Now, as I have already told you that for any pure component, the axis gives free energy will be equal to 0. So let's see over here. Then if you substitute x1 is equals to 1, that means only x1 is there and x2 is equals to 0. So GE is equals to RT, x1 is 1, this is ln of 1 plus 0 into, now see over here, if x2 is 0, so activity kahan jayegi? Dilution of infinity, right? So GE is equals to, now we know that ln of 1 is 0, this is also 0, so multiplied by 0 is 0. Similarly, if x2 is equals to 1 and x1 is equals to 0, then the same relation, x1 is 0, ln of gamma 1 infinity plus 1 ln of 1. So again GE is equals to 0. So axis gives free energy for any pure component, is equal to 0, where x1 and x2 is equal to 0. So now let's discuss the first model, which is one parameter 2 suffix Margulis equation. And this is the activity coefficient model, which help us to find out the behavior of many simple liquids which has same size of molecules. The molecules of that liquid it should be in same size and shape, and then we can draw the the graph between the ln gamma 1 and ln gamma 2, and then we can find out the behavior of that liquid. So let's discuss this. So axis gives free energy is defined. We know that GE for any pure simple liquid mixture, GE is equals to 0, and x1 and x2 is equals to also 0. So any axis property is defined if they follow any boundary condition. So they will define by A, x1, x2. So A is here parameter, and x1 and x2 only one parameter, and x1 and x2, you know that these are the mole fractions of binary solution. So multiplied by both sides, multiplied by n. So what we get, n GE is equals to n A x1 x2, right? And x1 is what? n1 upon n. x2 is what? n2 upon n. So in place of nx1 we can substitute n1, and in place of x2 we can substitute n2 upon n1. So just substitute nGE is equals to A n1 n2 upon n. Now just differentiate the above equation let's take this is the equation number 1. Above equation with respect to N1. So DABA NGE, DABA N1, where temperature, pressure and N2 is constant. So A is constant over here. So first you differentiate. Here you have to apply the U by V rule. So N2 is constant, and then we have N1 upon N. I'll just differentiate A and 2. So first differentiate 1, ये हो जाएगा N square minus here, sorry, N is constant, N1 is 1, differentiation N square. Then N1 is constant, N का differentiation is 1 upon N square. Now just multiply it by this, so N cancel, A N2 upon N minus N1 N2 upon N square, and this is A, N2 upon N is X2, and this is N1 upon N and N2 upon N. So X1, X2, A, just take X2 common, 1 minus X1, and we know that 1 minus X1 is X1 plus X2 is equals to 1 for any binary solution. So 1 minus X1 is equals to X2. We put in place of X2, 1 minus X1, we can put X2. So AX2 square. So this is our equation number 2. Equation number 2, and now we know that M is equals to X1 M1 bar plus X2 M2 bar, and we also know that M1 bar is equals to DABA and M, DABA N1 when you differentiate with respect to any component 1 and keep other one is constant, right? Now Axis gives free energy for any binary solution. How we write? RT is equals to X1 ln gamma 1 plus X2 ln gamma 2. So similarly you can write when you differentiate with respect to N1, right, and just multiplied by N here again. So this is NGE RT, this has become N1 ln gamma 1 and N2 ln gamma 2. So differentiate with respect to N1 with this equation and keep N2 is constant. So differentiate the above equation with respect to N1 and keep temperature, pressure and N2 constant. So DABA NGE upon DABA N1, where temperature, pressure and N2 is constant, and you will get RT ln of gamma 1. Okay, so we have, this is the equation number 3. Now you can see when you compare equation number 2 and equation number 3, so just compare equation number equation 2 and 3. So what you will get? RT ln of gamma 1 is equals to AX2 square. So this is the one parameter 2 suffix Margulis equation. So one parameter is A is the one parameter, and 2 suffix because the power of polynomial equation is 2, so that's why it is 2 suffix, where here this is the final equation, 4th equation, and where A upon RT is dimensionless, right? Similarly, you can also derive the same equation for x1 in terms of x1, so that will be equal to RT ln of gamma 2 AX1 square. So these two models basically are used for many simple liquid mixtures. Simple liquid mixture, I have already told you that means the molecules of that mixture, liquid mixture, it should be same, and the shape of the molecules also it should be same. Then only you can apply these two equation and you can find the behavior of that liquid mixture. So if we draw the graph between ln gamma 1, ln gamma 2 versus mole fraction x1 or x2, so you will get the mirror image. So here x1 and here ln gamma 1. So this is ln gamma 1, this is ln gamma 2. Here ln gamma 2 is equals to 0, here ln gamma 1 is equals to 1, and the point center mole fraction is 0.5. When x1 is equals to 1, the gamma 1 tends to 1, and when x1 tends to 0, tends to 1, then gamma 1 tends to gamma 1 infinity, and gamma 1 infinity, the activity coefficient value at infinite dilution, which deviates from the value of 1, right? So you can, that means that here the component 1 is surrounded by the all same type of species or all same type of molecules, and similarly component 2 is also surrounded by the same type of molecules or same type of species. At this point ln gamma 1, because it shows कहाँ जा रहा है, ये infinity के लिए जा रहा है, और यहाँ पर x1 कहाँ जा रहा है, 1 के लिए जा रहा है. यहाँ पर आपका x1 क्या था, 0, and here it is x1 is 1. At the center x1 is 0.5. So जब वो 1 जा रहा है, so ये क्या हो रहा है, 1 हो रहा है, and when it is goes to ln gamma 1 infinite, जब 0 हो रहा है x1, तो कहाँ जा रहा है, वो infinite dilution के लिए जा रहा है. Similarly here also, so ln gamma 2, here it is infinity, and it is equals to a upon rt, which is also equals to here also a upon rt. So this is all about the one parameter Margulis equation, 2 suffix worry. So this is all about the one parameter 2 suffix Margulis equation. In our next video, suffix worry. So this is all about the one parameter 2 suffix Margulis equation.